Hi everyone. So welcome back. So in this session, we'll see what are the skill set an individual should possess to become a successful business analyst or to become a good business analyst. So first, communication skill. So communication skill is one of the most important skill set a business analyst should possess. Since as a business analyst, we talk to multiple stakeholders at the different stages of the project, right? So communicating with the stakeholder is very much important. Not only with the stakeholder, communicating internally with the team is also very important. So clear and concise communication ensures that all the parties understand the requirements very well, right? So when you communicate the requirement properly to the team and also when you discuss the requirement properly with the client, then any kind of a development or any kind of a project will not have any hurdles when the project is in development stage. So communication is very much important for a business analyst. And second skill set or business analyst documentation skill. So as a business analyst, we work a lot of documentation during different stages of the project, like whether it can be requirements gathering or whether it can be the designing of the requirements. So we do work on a lot of documentation like BRD or functional requirement document or writing the user stories. So a business analyst should possess a minimum documentation skill set where they can document the requirements properly. And the third and most important skill set a business analyst should possess. So as a business analyst, we encounter a lot of challenging situations or we come across a situation where we need to apply our logical thinking, right? So critical thinking is very much important for a business analyst to analyze the solution or to analyze the situation and to identify the root cause of that particular problem. Our critical thinking will also help us in identifying the right solution for the problem and suggest that same to the client. So critical thinking will also plays an important role for any BA to become more successful in their career. So how do you possess all these skill sets, right? So let us learn together and let us practice together and attain more knowledge on how to become a more successful BA. So for more information, check out the description, and for more tips of such kind, follow my channel. Thank you.